Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do some work with requests. If you did not see last video's information about requests, we are downloading an outside library called Requests, and it handles dealing with the web just a little bit better. So if you don't know how to download anything outside libraries, go watch the last video or look up pip install and follow that, and we'll just jump right into it. So we already have installed requests on our machines, and now we're going to look at, let's run this. So let's look at requests.get. Oops. And look at what I forgot. Forgot the S on requests. Said it, didn't type it. So, .get. And let's look at this. So, alright. Just like URL lib, it takes a URL. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use our old famous text to pull down the Raven, because I don't want to deal with any copyright stuff. So alright, and we know this is longs, and it'll be in the description if you've not dealt with this yet. So alright, and this is literally it. Here's the documentation. So just like our other URL lib, this returns a class, and now we know what classes are, and we also know how to create our own, but it returns a response object. Boom, just like this. So alright, and this is how we utilize excuse me, get URL, just like that. And now here's the very, very cool thing. So let's just run this, and let's run a dir on our page. Oops. So alright, we can call the URL on it, but what I want and most interested in is boom, check this out. So alright, page.text. Oops, I forgot. There. So it returns it as a string, where URL lib return it as bytes. So right here we can literally, look how quick we can do this. So page.text, not text, and let's slide this over just a little bit, take it back, save, run it, and boom. This is the Raven, very nicely formatted, because requests get, it brings out the text as a string. It does all that extra work for you. So if you remember, it took, I think, 5 or 6, let's back this out just so you can see, 5 or 6 lines, and we did this in 3, and I actually expanded this and put this as its own URL. So that is how simple and awesome requests is, and we're just going to do more and more and more with requests, and we're going to do more and more with outside libraries. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you guys missing any videos, because we are now in the 200s. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.